Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Halsey here from SlimmandStylish.com. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be playing with the Berry Blessings Photopolymer stamp set and the coordinating Berry Delightful Designer Series paper, and these are both a bundle that you can get free when you spend £90 with me from my store before the 28th of February. And my store is www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net, and everything I use today is going to be available to purchase from there, apart from both of these, which you can earn if you spend £90 with me, and you will get both. So the stamp set has 13 stamps. It's two-step stamping where you've got an outside and an inside that you can pop in. It is also open so that you can blend it, colour it and watercolour it. Very fun. There are some gorgeous 12 by 12 papers. So there's 12 sheets that you will get free, and each of them are out of the 12 sheets, there's 6 double-sided designs is what I meant to say. So you get 12 designs, but you do get them doubled. So you get 2 of these and 2 on the back. Okay, so these are the papers that you will get. I'm going to run through and quickly show them you. This one has been cut off. It is normally 12 by 12, but I've already used it on a project on my site. I fell in love with it, and that was the first one I wanted to use. Okay. Aren't they lovely? I know what you're thinking. There are a lot of strawberry based designs on this paper. However, in the stamp set, there are no strawberries. And that is because in the mini catalogue, so available to purchase on page 44, I think it is. Yep, there we go. Is the Sweet Strawberry Bundle. So you have the stamp set, and you'll notice that the stamp set has the same fonts. So everything coordinates really nice together and you can use it together. It is two-step and distinctive, exactly the same as what the Sale-a-Bration one is. And you can get this stamp as a bundle with the coordinating punch. And I've got that here just to quickly show you. So this is the punch. You've got the leaves, the strawberries, the flowers, and then you've got the top of the strawberry, like the stem part. And you can pop them out and make those. So they all coordinate quite nicely together. And if you wanted to get these as a bundle, it's £30 and 50 pence from my store in the corner. And it will help towards the £90 to earn these for free. So let's have a little bit of a play. I don't really know what card I'm going to be making, but I do know I want to feature the grape paper, purely for fun. The other card that I've done that is on my channel that I mentioned to you had the blue DSP that I cut down. I actually put this stamp on there, and I thought it was a raspberry, and I coloured it in pink. And then I saw the paper and I was like, oh, it's meant to be grapes. But I think it fits as anything, so you can use it sort of anywhere around. So I've got a sheet of Whisper White cardstock. This is 10 centimetres by 14.25 centimetres. And I'm just going to grab some garden green to go with my DSP. And I'm going to grab the infill bit here. So I've popped a load of them on blocks. I just don't know which ones I'm sort of using yet. But I'm going to use that one. I'm not going to use the outline. I'm just going to use the insert for this part. I want to see if I can try and make a card without really putting any black on it. And it looks like I actually need to re-ink my ink pad. It's very not inky, and I haven't got a refill for that one, so I'll have to pop it on my next order. It's always a good thing about Stampin' Up, all of their colours coordinate. So when you actually get a copy of one of our catalogues, and I've just had the copy of the catalogue in my hand, it will tell you, open that up on Berry Blessings, it will tell you exactly what colours are included in these paper stacks. So you know exactly that it will coordinate spot on. The papers coordinate the inks, and when they run out, you can get the ink refills, which is sort of this size. I know this is the red, or Poppy Parade. You pop it onto your ink pad, spread it around, and it will refill your ink pad for you. So you know that all the colours are going to coordinate and you're going to have refills for them. Highland Heather. And I'm going to use this bit here in the Highland Heather, and for the outline I'm going to use Smoky Slate. So I might start off with a Smoky Slate first so I can get the outline in the right place. Means that's going to be the tell. Quite like that. And I've got a bit of scrap paper somewhere. I'm just going to grab that because I want to do some off stamping. So what I mean by that is I think Highland Heather is going to be too bright to pop straight away onto my card. So I'm thinking that I can do it as a secondary stamp. But actually I quite like the first one, so actually I'm not going to do that at all. Ignore me. Ignore me. I'm just going to go straight for it. Yeah, I'm fine with that. There we go. The sentiment I'm going to use, I'm going to come back to actually. Yeah, I'm going to come back to. I'm going to keep playing with what I've been doing. I'm going to do a couple more of these on my card. So a couple more of the outline. There we go. And the inside. Okay, and do you want to use the DSP somewhere? So okay. Haven't really worked this out because I've put this all over the card because I liked it, and now I want to use the DSP. We're going to work this out. I'm going to cut a very, very thin strip of the DSP going in this direction down so it can go across my card. And I'm going to cut it at 1.25 inches. Okay, and then I'm going to cut another half an inch. There we are. It's got 1.25 inches and half an inch. Because on the back of this paper, look, it coordinates lovely. There is a lovely purple bit there. How to line this up now so that it can go across the card. I think it's going to go there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this one down first. using the grid paper to line it up. I'm then going to stick, no I'm not, I'm going to chop that actually. I've worked this out, I know what I'm doing. I haven't really. This is the perils, I'm afraid, of just starting off and going with it. So use my grid paper. Be a good idea. I'm going to line that up. There. And then I'm going to cover this in seal. Across there. So this is going to work in the end, and you're going to be like, oh, it looks lovely, whereas at the moment I'm not 100% sure on it. But I don't always like the cards that we make. Okay, I've got some scrap Whisper White here. So the sentiment I'm going to use is, you always have a way of making my day. And I'm going to go with the Smoky Slate. And for a punch, I'm going to use this one here from the annual catalogue. Again, if you purchase any of the punches from the annual catalogue, they add up as well, so you can add these to your order to get to your £99. You always have a way of making my day. I like that. I like that. I was just looking to see if there's something I could put up in that corner, but I will pop something up there. I will work that bit out. Right, let's stick this up on some dimensionals. And I'm going to grab our shimmer ribbon. So this is from the annual catalogue. This is from the Posies, the purple pose. No, not the Posies. Purple Posy is a colour. I was looking at the at this and liking the colour. This is from the Peony bundle. That a bit cag-handed. Should have cut it before I stuck it, but there we go. And then I can put a faux bow in the top and cover that bit that I said to you just looked a bit naked at the top. Yeah, Joe, I wasn't 100% sold on this card when I started it, but I think I've changed my opinion. Have I changed my opinion? Yeah, I like it. So I'm just going to grab a card base and my trimmer is here. So I've already got all my card bases cut. They are half a sheet of A4 paper, or well, the thick Whisper White. I'm just going to score that at 10.5 centimetres. Fold and burnish. I'm going to add that onto there. Actually, I really quite like it. It's not normally a me card. It's a bit different. But then I suppose I liked the paper and I liked the berries. It was just trying to work out how they were all going to work together. And I know what I'm going to add with it. So also from the Peony bundle in the annual catalogue, we have these gorgeous faceted gems. And these clear ones here I think are going to look lovely with this set. So let me just grab my take a pick tool and pop some of these on. Let's pop another one over there. There we go. Yeah, I like that. What do you think? Not bad for a free bundle, eh? Thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimmandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimmandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.